Ever wondered about the secret recipe behind those visually stunning and captivating designs you come across every day? It's not magic, but the strategic application of the elements and principles of graphic design. Today we delve into these fundamental building blocks, breaking them down one by one. First off, we have the line. Simple yet powerful lines are the most basic element of graphic design. They can be thick or thin, straight or curved, solid or dashed. Lines define shapes, create emphasis, and guide the viewer's eyes. They could be as loud as a shout or as quiet as a whisper, depending on how they're used. Next up, shapes. Shapes are closed lines that can be geometric like circles, squares, and triangles, or organic like the irregular freeform shapes we find in nature. They add an extra dimension to the design, offering a playground for creativity and innovation. Then we have color. The vibrant world of colors, each carrying its own emotion and mood. Colors breathe life into designs, setting the tone, creating contrasts, and highlighting important elements. They can evoke feelings of joy, sadness, excitement, or calm, making them a powerful tool in a designer's arsenal. Fourth, we have texture. Texture refers to how a surface looks or feels. It adds depth to a design, making it appear more realistic. Think of the roughness of a brick wall, the smoothness of silk, or the graininess of sand. Texture can make a design pop, making it more engaging and interesting. Fifth, we have space. Space refers to the area around, between, or within elements. It can be negative or positive, and its clever use can enhance a design's readability and overall impact. It gives the elements room to breathe, enhancing the design's harmony and balance. Lastly, we have typography. Typography involves the strategic use of typefaces, font sizes, line lengths, spacing, and alignment. It's not merely about readability, but also about setting the mood, creating personality, and conveying the right message. Now let's talk about the principles of design. These are the rules that guide how we use the elements. They include balance, which ensures that no part of the design overpowers another; contrast, which emphasizes differences to add interest and variety; and alignment, which creates a clean, orderly look. There's also repetition, which creates consistency and unity; proportion, which ensures that the sizes of elements relate well to each other; and hierarchy, which guides the viewer's eyes to the most important parts of the design first. So to sum it all up, graphic design is a symphony of lines, shapes, colors, textures, space, and typography, all guided by the principles of balance, contrast, alignment, repetition, proportion, and hierarchy. Mastering these elements and principles is the key to creating designs that are not just visually appealing, but also effective in communicating the intended message. Remember, graphic design isn't about making things look pretty. It's about problem solving, storytelling, and creating meaningful experiences. It's about finding the perfect balance between form and function. So, the next time you see a compelling design, take a moment to appreciate the thought and creativity that went into it. After all, there's a lot more to design than meets the eye.